It is the thinnest and lightest gaming notebook from Alienware, and stands out from the rest of the giants of the brand. The M15 also comes equipped with a numeric keypad, a wide selection of ports and even different lid colors. And with $1,379 to start, the M15 costs less than most of its competitors. At first glance, the M15 is familiar to anyone who has seen an Alienware machine before. It is noisy and colorful, with hard corners and bright alien heads. Alienware offers the M15 in red or silver. There is a tendency for gaming notebook manufacturers to produce work-friendly Max Q machines that are not so unpleasant, but Alienware does not seem worried about that. Instead, the M15 design prioritizes airflow and tank-like qualities for which Alienware machines are known. As a result, the M15 has many visible air outlets as part of its dual inlet design and dual exhaust airflow. The M15 weighs 4.78 pounds, measures 17.9 mm 0.70 inches at its thinnest point and 21 mm 0.83 inches at its thickest point. With the eccentric style of Alienware, its footprint is significantly greater than that of other laptops for Max Q games.